The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for Alibaba, but before we begin, I have a sale going on for my course, which tomorrow midnight is the last day for that sale, and I'm not sure when I'll have another. So take advantage of that sale, and you can look for the discount code in the community post section of my channel. So let's take a look at BABA. Well, it looks like we did get a bounce from that $88 level, which I'll go over in about a minute. So overall, it's a range pattern. Prices are still inside this big range pattern that pretty much started back in March. So we've just been going up and down, large swings between this $80 level and the 120 level. So it's a 40-point range. 120 is the resistance, $80, right around the $8 is the support. If I zoom in a little bit closer on the more recent price action, you can see that there's a smaller range in play. Prices are stuck inside of this 12-point range. $88 is the support, $100 is the resistance. So currently you can see that we bounced three confirmed times from this $88 level. It looks like we're probably going to go back up to possibly the highs of the range, but we could find resistance at this EMA. I don't think it's likely because previously it looks like we're just passing right through it, so it could be invisible. So we could see an up move back up to the $100 level or triple digits. Again, we bounced from this $88 level 3 confirmed times, but there was a couple other small touches over here that we did see some bullish price action. So it's a strong level. Obviously I was expecting prices to break this because there was a gap right here that prices are trying to fill. You can see how many times the bears try to bring the prices down, but the bulls are still defending this price level. So obviously someone's gonna give up, and looks like probably the bears. So could see that rally back up to that $100 level. Now could we go back up to the top side of the range? As of right now, I would say no, but it is a possibility. There's a gap over here, but I don't think we're that bullish. I still think the bears are just waiting to sell, and right now it's not a good opportunity time to sell, so they're gonna wait for a pullback. So we could see continuation of this up move that we are seeing across the board for stocks. So eventually, if we do break this range pattern that we're inside of, let me go and change the color, so separate it from the bigger range. So when we break this orange range to the downside, we're probably going to fill in this gap and reach the lows of the range at the $80 level. If we break up to the top side, which is unlikely as of right now, I just don't see it happening, then we could gap fill and reach that 120 level. As right now, for the coming weeks and the coming days, I expect continuation to the top side, probably to that $100 level. Now, if we just get rejected from this EMA and midline, we could roll over and find some type of support at that $88 level. If we bounce from it, then we can go up to the $100 level. If we break it, we're going back down to fill in this gap and touch the bottom of the yellow pattern. So that's all I have for the daily chart. Let's go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for BABA, and again, it's pretty much down for a few years now. Obviously, times are changing. It looks like prices are flattening out. Right now we're just still below the weekly EMA, so it can't be bullish or confirm that we are in an uptrend. I have to wait for a reversal pattern. So pretty much when prices are starting to bounce from the EMA and we have an uptrend formation, then we can confirm that this is actually a bottom. As right now, since we're below the weekly EMA, I got to suspect that we have not bottomed in this market, and I expect continuation to the downside even if we do go up. So it does look like there's a lot of buyers at these lower price levels. You can see there's massive green bars and prices are being bid up from these aggressive buyers. So it looks like there's some buyers strong buyers at these lower price levels, which is good. To be honest, Chinese stocks were definitely hammered for the past couple of years, but they're still holding up fairly well, given what's going on in China, what's going on in China over there, and even the US markets. So they're still doing pretty good, and I don't really see really low prices for Baba as of right now. I was expecting the all-time lows to be reached, but it could be a while. Right now we're just kind of going flat, so this pattern could play out and drag out until we see some type of catalyst take place. Man, I'll be here to give you guys an update. So as right now, daily chart shows that we're going to see a little pullback. I would say triple digits, low 100s. I'm not that bullish to say we're going to break up to the 120 level, so we'll keep an eye on that. Now next week, if we don't even get that bounce, then we could roll over back down to the lower side of the range at the $80 level. So just keep an eye on what prices do inside the range, and it just depends on what it breaks or not. So that's all I have for Baba. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.